We were searching for a company that could meet our customer requirements. We did not sell a lot of equipment, and we didn't have the product support. We didn't have the marketing tools. Being an industrial cleaning company, we're no expert when it comes to marketing. With Hotsy and the partnership that they bring as a vendor, they come to us and they say, this is what we can do for you. We understand your business, we understand your products, let's help you promote them. No other company has the sort of marketing power that Hotsy provides. When we became a partner with Hotsy, we saw our sales increase by 250% in the first year. What we also discovered was that Hotsy was more than just a product, they were also a program. They offer a management support class where they take your managers and they run them through what the keys are to running a good business and how to keep your employees motivated and focused. They have a sales school that you go to and you get to learn about the Hotsy products. They have a technical school that they offer where they run through all the technical aspects of how Hotsys work. They also have a leasing seminar that allows your salespeople to learn about the financing that's available. They have what we need as a dealership in order to grow our Hotsy business. They've also offered us a hiring program to be able to screen and hire the right people. You know, why Seattle Pump? Why Hotsy? Why do you want to sell this product? Why do you want to work here? Not just can you do the job. Hotsy's tools and resources are never-ending. If there's something new out there, Hotsy's usually on the cutting edge of that. Hotsy has really helped not only Seattle Pump, but myself to be able to go out there and be confident with the equipment we're selling and to grow our business into something that we can be proud of, knowing that we're selling the #1 brand on the market.
In the world of industrial pressure washers, there's one company that stands alone, Hotsy. In business since 1970, Hotsy has been the pressure washer of choice for professionals in countless applications, cleaning everything from heavy equipment to oil rigs. Nothing cleans like a Hotsy. Tested, tried, and true. Hotsy pressure washers showcase top-quality construction and superior engineering combined with the efficiency of streamlined production lines.
Power and durability of a Hotsy stems from our engineering, design, and manufacturing process. All our equipment's ETL certified for safety. Our frames are welded together, not bolted, for extra durability. We also manufacture our own coils here out of Schedule 80 pipe, and each coil is made to match the specific output of the machine. We also manufacture our own line of pumps, which carry one of the best warranties in the industry.
In the last few years, we've introduced a lean manufacturing culture, which led to the installation of U-shaped lines. These replaced the old conveyor lines that had a lot of waiting time and wasted labor. The new lines are more efficient, they're self-balancing, and the work flows off the line in a steady beat, which is added to the value in the product and reduce the waste in the process.
Hotsy's #1 priority is safety. Because of this, every machine is engineered to pass ETL certification and UL 1776 testing. Hotsy also performs a quality testing before every machine is shipped, ensuring our customers that they not only get a safe machine, but a reliable machine as well.
What sets Hotsy apart from the competition, aside from our equipment, is our dealer network. They ensure that the end user is getting the right piece of equipment for their specific application, and they back that up with exceptional service after the sale. Hotsy itself provides them with technical support and also offers factory training throughout the year. We couple that training with regional sales manager visits to their facilities throughout the year. I think it's important to note that the average Hotsy distributor has been with us for over 20 years.
With many models to choose from, professionals are assured there's a model for any and every application. All Hotsy industrial pressure washers are built to last and designed to meet the demands of heavy use.
Hotsy manufactures over 80 models of hot water pressure washers, and they're available in electric, gas, or diesel, and they range in size from small mobile units to our larger stationary wash bay systems. We also manufacture a full line of cold water washers, and our own line of detergents. Each and every one of the Hotsy products is geared towards commercial use.
If you've got a tough cleaning challenge, there's only one brand to turn to: Hotsy. The best pressure washers manufactured today and the world's greatest.
Hotsy has been around since 1970, when a gentleman by the name of Bob Cohen learned about a company called Cancotech that was marketing an industrial pressure washer called a Hotsy. Bob was very impressed with the Hotsy washer, which was being built at that time by Slifer Manufacturing. Long story short, Bob bought both companies and changed the name from Cancotech to Hotsy, which stands for Hot Systems. That's where my story begins. I'm known as the Hotsy Man, and I've had a storied career over the past 40 years. Originally modeled after one of the early Hotsy pressure washers, rumor is that I'm older than dirt. That's not true, but I have been dealing with dirt for a long time, and I've found myself in some pretty unusual places. I've traveled to countless trade shows and fairs, all in an effort to fight grime. In fact, I'm on board nearly every Hotsy truck for sales and service calls. I've been involved in lots of projects over the years and have cleaned almost everything imaginable, including four-legged critters like horses and elephants. I've even cleaned alligator hides for a boot maker in Juarez, Mexico. Bet you didn't know I wash oranges in Dinuba, California before they ship to your local grocer. There's no challenge too great for me. As a baseball fan, I've been spotted at PNC Park in Pittsburgh, Busch Stadium, and the ballpark in Arlington. I've tackled grime in Denver at Mile High and the old Texas Stadium. I've cleaned Worlds of Fun theme park in Kansas City and been to SeaWorld and Riverwalk in San Antonio. I got my wings with Southwest Airlines, and for a real sense of adventure, I served with the troops in Iraq cleaning jet fighters. I've even competed in my own monster truck and lived to talk about it. For the past 40 years, I've been all over North America representing new products and applications like Hotsy Fat Cap Graffiti Remover. Recently, I helped clean graffiti from an elementary school in Vancouver, Washington. What can I say? I'm a tough but friendly guy with a big heart, and now I appear astride a 795 SS, one of our most popular and durable models. We're a perfect match. With superior quality and engineering, Hotsy is the unparalleled leader for industrial pressure washers. The next time you're out and about, don't be surprised if our paths cross. I plan to stick around for a long time, and there's plenty I have yet to clean because grime knows no holiday. And after all, nothing cleans like a Hotsy.
Hotsy offers durable, commercial-grade pressure washers built for any size job, big or small. Hotsy has become the #1 pressure washer brand due in large part to our network of authorized dealers located throughout North America. Your local Hotsy dealer has a tremendous amount of hands-on cleaning knowledge while providing the utmost in customer service.
We always recommend Hotsy because I know if I send a guy over to Hotsy, he's going to go over there and get his questions answered. I want my customers to be looked after, and Hotsy will do that.
Hotsy helped me through many jobs. If I had a problem or a question, I picked up the phone and they'd walk me through it.
With so many models available, deciding which one you need is often overwhelming. Why worry when you can trust the expertise of a cleaning specialist? When you invest in a pressure washer from a Hotsy dealer, you have the assurance of knowing that your Hotsy has been assembled, tested, and fine-tuned before delivery. Plus, they are there for service and support after the sale. You won't find this at a big box retailer or when ordering from a low-cost online store.
We've had Hotsy washers for 10 or 12 years. It's just a very important piece of equipment on our farm. Convenient to use, easy to use. It's key in our farm equipment. It does everything we need it to do for us.
Hotsy dealers are a one-stop shopping resource. stocking thousands of genuine pressure washer replacement parts and accessories, as well as Hotsy detergents. A Hotsy cleaning specialist will recommend the best detergent for your application and water conditions, setting your Hotsy to use the least amount of water or detergent possible while still cleaning to your expectations. For customers using large amounts of detergent, Hotsy dealers offer bulk size delivery from store to door, so you never run out of soap. When it comes to repairs, you can count on Hotsy for quick, reliable service. Factory-trained, certified technicians have extensive experience in troubleshooting and repair. Technicians are on the road daily with a fully stocked service vehicle, performing repairs and scheduled maintenance at your location, as well as in-house. Hotsy products carry one of the best warranties in the industry. When you need warranty service, there are over 150 local Hotsy dealers across the country who will quickly have your equipment up and running.
The biggest thing for oil and gas is when you need it yesterday, and they've definitely come through for us.
I had a service call here last week, and I made one quick call, and the service guy was out within a couple hours, had us up and running before the end of the day.
Your Hotsy dealer offers more than just a standard pressure washer. They offer a wash system designed for your toughest cleaning problems. The initial on-site survey, equipment recommendation, delivery, installation, setup, and training are all parts of the service provided by your local dealer with a washing system.
We wanted to have a good wash bay because it was very important, and we wanted to make sure that we had steady hot water. That was the main thing, where you come in with snow and ice or mud and dirt, where you would have enough hot water to make sure everything gets washed off properly. Since the driver's been using it the last couple of weeks, they say what a difference. Lots of pressure. Two guys can be in there washing at the same time, and it works great.
You won't find another company locally that offers the products and services available at a Hotsy dealership. The only thing stronger than a Hotsy is the commitment our dealers make to customer service.
I love dealing with the customers. I mean, they're number one. And all we do is sell and service pressure washers, parts washers, cleaning equipment. If you want to buy a pressure washer from us, we have it in stock. If you need service, we're there to service it. If you have a problem, we're not running away, we're going to look after it.
Hotsy dealers have been meeting the needs of professionals since 1970. The relationship they build with customers is truly a partnership. They provide cleaning solutions for companies big and small and excel at understanding their customers' needs.
We farm just short of 3,000 acres. We're 7 miles from any pavement here. So any type of rain we have, we're instantly dirty. Hotsy is something that gets used about daily here. We like to have a clean image. It just ended up becoming a very important piece of equipment on our farm. They've always treated us fine, always gave us good service, reliability. Our dealer support is key. The quality of the product and our service is why we want to keep coming back.
To find your local Hotsy dealer, visit www.hotsy.com. You'll find more information on the products and services we have to offer. The foam cannon aids you in applying detergent to those tough cleaning surfaces. Simply fill the detergent reservoir with Hotsy detergent and attach it to your trigger gun. The pressure stream siphons the detergent, mixes it with air and water, and dispenses foam up to a 30-foot cleaning radius. This thick blanket of cleaning foam clings to all surfaces, increasing the dwell time. As the foam bubbles burst, they force the cleaning agents into the soils being cleaned, breaking down dirt and grime. The end result? A better, more efficient cleaning. Foam cannons easily attach to hot or cold pressure washers up to 3,000 psi and have a metering valve to control the amount of detergent being used. Users often see a decline in their detergent usage while seeing greater cleaning results. For more information on a foamer, please contact your local Hotsy dealer and ask for a free demonstration. Have you ever wrestled with a pressure washer hose? If so, you know how dirty they can get and how frustrating it is to keep it from tangling without ending up filthy yourself. When not stored properly, high-pressure hose can absorb all the oil, grease, and other contaminants that you're trying to clean. If you leave the pressure washer hose unattended on the ground, it not only becomes a tripping hazard, but places the hose in danger of being run over by trucks or the implements you're cleaning. The inner wire braid of the hose can become damaged, meaning a shorter lifespan on your hose. Mounted on a wall, floor, or the pressure washer itself, the Hotsy hose reel is quick and easy to use. Simply pull out the length of hose you'll need and wash. When you're finished, turn your pressure washer off and relieve any pressure that may have been trapped in the hose by pulling the trigger gun. And here's the best part. Simply turn the handle and use the flip-over hose guide to evenly roll the pressure hose back up. There's no more fighting with kinks or tangles in the hose. The heavy-gauge powder-coated steel reels come fully assembled and can be quickly installed by your local Hotsy dealer. Hotsy hose reels are built to handle up to 5,000 pounds per square inch of pressure and are rated for 325-degree hot water. Our hose reels come in two styles, 360-degree pivot reel and one that is a fixed base. The reels can handle 100 or 200 feet of high-pressure hose with room to spare and are backed by a Hotsy 2-year warranty. To order a hose reel or to find other labor-saving accessories, call your local Hotsy dealer. When you need to transfer water, such as emptying a large tank or swimming pool, or when cleaning liquid or sludge from a wash bay pit or containment tank, the Pit Boss Sludge Sucker is the tool for you. Using your pressure washer, it eliminates the need for expensive transfer pumps. Simply attach the Pit Boss to your pressure washer lance, place the 15-foot by 1.5-inch discharge hose into the catch container, lower it into the tank, pit, or container, and pull the trigger. The 0-degree spray creates a powerful Venturi suction, drawing 43 gallons per minute and over 2,500 gallons per hour through the discharge hose, making short, easy work out of the dirtiest job. Mud, sludge, flood water, and sewage are no match for the Pit Boss. See your local Hotsy dealer for this and other time and labor-saving accessories.
Hotsy flat surface cleaners are used with hot or cold pressure washers to dramatically reduce cleaning time. In fact, surfaces can be cleaned in 1/3 the time of conventional washing methods, greatly reducing your labor costs. Hotsy surface cleaners are perfect for removing algae, moss, dirt, oil, and grease from sidewalks, driveways, pool decks, parking garages, loading docks, and other flat surfaces. Surface cleaners provide a consistent cleaning pattern without stripes or discoloration to the surface you're washing, as often occurs with manually using a pressure washer wand. With the cleaning diameter from 8 to 36 inches, there's a model to fit any cleaning need. Flat surface cleaners utilize a high-speed rotating spray bar with pressure nozzles that concentrate the spray to the surface you're cleaning. Simply attach the surface cleaner to a pressure washer and pull the trigger. The spray bar rotates, cleaning begins. Then push the surface cleaner like you would a lawnmower to clean a large path at once. By concentrating and containing the spray pattern, there's limited overspray to the area you're washing. Hotsy surface cleaners accommodate up to 4,000 psi pressure rating and up to 212 degrees of temperature when attached to a Hotsy hot water pressure washer. After using the Hotsy flat surface cleaner, you'll wonder how you ever got along without it. Contact your local Hotsy dealer to start saving time and money today.
For heavy, tough, caked-on soils, use a Hotsy turbo nozzle to increase your cleaning power, making short work out of the toughest jobs. The turbo nozzle's 0-degree or pencil-thin stream spins in a rotating conical pattern, intensifying the performance and impacting the cleaning area more aggressively than standard spray nozzles. A turbo nozzle is a must for heavy construction, farming, track-style equipment, removing loose and scaly paint from building exteriors, and countless applications where additional power is needed. Turbo nozzles should not be used on cars, trucks, or other fine painted vehicles. To see a demonstration of a Hotsy turbo nozzle and other labor-saving accessories, contact your local Hotsy dealer today. For over 40 years, Hotsy has solved North America's toughest cleaning problems with rugged, industrial hot and cold pressure washers with hundreds of options that save time, money, and get the job done right. The X-Jet long-range nozzle is another innovative tool for those that need to reach wash areas up to 40 feet away. Not only does the X-Jet provide a powerful water stream to those hard-to-reach areas, it also allows chemical application as well. Detergents, insecticides, fertilizers, even acids can be applied through the X-Jet while bypassing the machine's pump, hose, trigger gun, and lance, protecting them from damage. The X-Jet comes standard with color-coded preset chemical orifices that allow you to meter or dilute to the product's recommended application strength. With 15 feet of chemical line and an inline on-off valve, you have a great range of mobility and a large wash radius. Whether washing the eaves of a house, spraying fruit trees, or eliminating a dangerous wasp nest, the X-Jet can turn those long-range problems into an economical remedy. You'll find the X-Jet long-range nozzle, plus a wide variety of other time-saving pressure washer accessories at your local Hotsy dealer. They have the expertise in solving your toughest cleaning problem. To find your local Hotsy dealer, visit our website at www.hotsy.com. Hotsy offers a wide variety of pressure washer lances ranging from 12-inch to 79 inches in length, allowing you to reach most wash areas. If these still fall short, your local Hotsy dealer has just what you need to take your cleaning to new heights. Adjustable fiberglass telescoping lances are available in 3 different sizes, 6 to 12 foot, 6 to 18 foot, and topping out with an amazing 8 to 24 foot model to easily wash 2-story buildings from the ground. Telescoping lances eliminate the need for expensive, time-consuming, and accident-prone ladders and scaffolding. Simply connect the telescoping lance to your pressure washer, extend to the desired length, and tighten the lock collar before washing. For additional support and ease of use, a strap and belt harness is available, adding extra stability for those lengthy jobs. Pressure rated to 3,500 psi and 200 degrees of water temperature, these telescoping lances are built for rugged use. An extension lance control kit can be used to effortlessly raise and lower the telescoping lance using water pressure. This handy accessory utilizes an easy grip handle and can be used either right or left-handed to easily control the telescoping lance with no kickback or whipping action. Reduce fatigue and get the job done faster by using time-saving accessories like telescoping lances. Your local Hotsy dealer will provide pricing options as well as a product demonstration. Stop by or call today and see why nothing cleans like a Hotsy.
Are you protecting your vehicle investment 100% or just 50%? If your washing method is to wash only from the wheels up, you're missing the most important area when it comes to preventative maintenance. An undercarriage cleaner quickly cleans the underside of vehicles, which is the area exposed to the worst of conditions. It's an ideal tool to have for wash bays, automotive repair, or fleet services. Easy to maneuver, the portable undercarriage cleaner attaches quickly to your hot or cold water pressure washer and removes road grime, oil contaminants, snow, sludge, salt and ice, the main causes of rust, corrosion, and premature parts and component failures. The cleaner uses 4 high-pressure nozzles positioned on a stainless steel rotating assembly and requires only a 5.5-inch clearance. Combined with Hotsy detergents and hot water, grime buildup from the underside of the vehicle is quickly and easily removed. For more information on an undercarriage cleaner, please contact your local Hotsy dealer and ask for a free demonstration.
This is your land, your world. You feed it, nurture it, tend to it. Rain or shine, night or day, generation after generation. In your world, things get dirty, real dirty. The elements, well, they rule the day. Tractors, trucks, plows, livestock, pens, barns, seems like muck and grime are their best friends. It's good to get dirty. The grit under your nails, in the tires, on the walls, pretty much everywhere. That's life. Work like this isn't a part-time job. There's no such thing as downtime around here for you or your equipment. That's why it takes heavy-duty equipment to clean your world. And there's only one pressure washer strong enough to handle the job. Hotsy pressure washers are rugged, powerful, and have been a vital part of the North American farming community for 40 years. Not only are they built to last, our pressure washers also clean, deep, and fast, keeping your workplace in good condition year after year. Hotsy washers are built tough and are able to withstand the harshest of conditions. When you need help, your local Hotsy dealer will be there with the knowledge and experience you need when it counts most. And when you need to replace or upgrade your equipment, it's good to know that Hotsy pressure washers have an outstanding trade-in value as well. No matter what your tough cleaning challenge is, Hotsy has over 100 models of commercial-grade pressure washers to help maintain and protect your equipment, keeping your world clean, healthy, and productive. A Hotsy can be one of the hardest working hands you have around the farm. To learn more, visit our website to find your local Hotsy dealer. You'll see, nothing cleans like a Hotsy. No matter what your business, construction, oil, gas, or mining, your job sites are some of the dustiest, dirtiest, and most hazardous places on Earth. To keep your sites clean, safe, and running smooth, it takes a strong and rugged pressure washer to handle the job. In your world, equipment and heavy machinery rule the day. They move through dirt and grime from sun up to sun down. Dust, dirt, and oil build up fast, choking the life out of your equipment. You can't afford costly downtime with the deadline looming. As you know, safety is important to any project. A clean job site reduces exposure to the many hazards you and your employees face day in and day out. Whether you run your equipment in the dark or out in the blazing sun, there's only one heavy-duty pressure washer that keeps your site safe, clean, and helps bring your jobs in on time. Hotsy pressure washers are powerful and built to last. On sites like yours, oil, tar, grease, dirt, and dust build up, causing maintenance and safety issues you just don't need. Our pressure washers clean deep and fast, keeping your equipment in good condition and running smoothly, year after year, job site to job site. No matter what your tough cleaning challenge is, Hotsy has over 100 models of commercial-grade pressure washers to help maintain and protect your equipment. To learn more about how a Hotsy can help clean your job site, visit our website to find your local dealer. You'll see why nothing cleans like a Hotsy. In any manufacturing plant, there's automation and lots of moving parts in a confined space. Workstations must be kept clean for the safety and well-being of your workers and to keep the production lines churning with no costly interruptions. Manufacturers can't afford to be without their equipment. Not for a day, not for a shift, not even for an hour. That's why a strong and powerful pressure washer is essential for the safe operation of any manufacturing environment. Hotsy pressure washers clean and sanitize the most challenging surfaces. Using hot water that reaches up to 210 degrees, a Hotsy removes grit and grime from cracks and crevices, eliminating dirt and contaminants in those hard-to-reach places. Our pressure washers are built to last, offer incredible return on investment, and are backed by the best warranty in the industry. They clean in less time, save you valuable labor costs, and pay for themselves by eliminating problems before they occur. Of course, safety is a priority in every business. No one wants their staff working in an unsafe environment. Hotsy pressure washers help minimize risk while maximizing product quality and productivity. A clean and well-maintained machine will reduce downtime, increase production, and improve your bottom line. No matter what your toughest cleaning challenge is, Hotsy has over 120 models of industrial-grade pressure washers to protect your equipment investment. To learn how a Hotsy can solve your plant's toughest cleaning problems, visit our website to find your local dealer. You'll see why nothing cleans like a Hotsy. On the road, in the sky, on the rails, even across the big blue sea. Somewhere a fleet is always on the move. Maintaining and keeping your vehicles clean is what keeps your business moving. You take care of your fleet, and it'll take care of you. Well-maintained vehicles show company pride. After all, it's your moving billboard on display, and we all know looks really do matter. Vehicles wouldn't be doing their job if they didn't get dirty. Battling road film, oil, dirt, salt, and grime. That's why it takes heavy-duty equipment to clean your fleet. And there's only one pressure washer strong enough to handle the job. Hotsy pressure washers are rugged, powerful, and built to last. They clean deep and fast, keeping your fleet in good condition and running smoothly year after year. Routine cleaning uncovers hidden maintenance issues, allowing you to make repairs before facing costly downtime. You'll also prolong the life of your fleet and get a better return on your investment. Hotsy pressure washers and detergents clean so efficiently together that you'll not only save on labor costs, but you'll spend less time washing as well. No matter what your tough cleaning challenge is, Hotsy has over 100 models of commercial-grade pressure washers to help maintain and protect your investments. Learn how a Hotsy can clean your fleet by visiting our website to find your local dealer. You'll see why nothing cleans like a Hotsy.
An industrial strength pressure washer is a powerful tool for cleaning, using a high pressure spray to remove grease, grime, dirt, and other contaminants from surfaces. Because of their commanding cleaning power, they can cause injury and damage to property if safety guidelines aren't followed. Hotsy has created this video to share basic safety tips that are recommended for anyone cleaning with a pressure washer. First off, it's important for the user to have an understanding of the operating instructions before using a pressure washer. Review the warning labels on the equipment and learn how to operate all controls. The operator should know how to stop the machine quickly in case of a problem. Review the labels posted on the pressure washer and read the operator's manual for important safety information. Take care not to touch hot surfaces such as mufflers and burner exhaust stacks. Even the wand and hose will become hot when using a hot water pressure washer, so use caution. Next, the user should wear the proper safety attire. When washing, the pressurized spray can dislodge rocks and other debris, causing them to become airborne, which can ricochet back at the operator. Eye protection is a must. Safeguard your sight by wearing safety glasses or a face shield. Leather shoes or steel-toed boots with non-skid soles are strongly advised. Under no circumstances should the operator wear sandals, as a severe injury could occur if the high-pressure spray stream comes in contact with skin. Ear protection should be used, as most pressure washers exceed the safe limit of 85 decibels for an 8-hour day's exposure to sound. Do not aim the wand at anyone ever. The user should keep clear of the pressure nozzle at all times and do not attempt to change the nozzle while the pressure washer is running, nor should the trigger gun be tied open. With high pressure, serious injury can occur. Before changing nozzles, make sure the gun is closed and the safety trigger latch is engaged to prevent accidental activation of the trigger. For the utmost in safety, turn the washer off. Ensure quick coupler collars are secured to prevent the nozzle from being ejected. Inspect hoses before starting the pressure washer for damage or fraying. Replace any worn or damaged hoses, as these could result in injury. Where and how a pressure washer is used is equally important. Grip the trigger gun and wand with both hands and direct the nozzle towards what you're cleaning before pulling the trigger, because it will kick back from the pressure. Consequently, when finished spraying and the pressure washer is turned off, make sure to squeeze the trigger gun to relieve any pressure left in the hose. Before washing, do a site survey of the area in which you'll be cleaning. Power lines, fuse boxes, electrical outlets, or any other electrical device can put the operator in harm's way. Water conducts electricity, and just as a kite can be dangerous when too close to power lines, the spray from a power washer can be a potential electrocution hazard. If the pressure washer is powered by a gas engine or heated by diesel fuel, be sure to use it only outdoors or in a well-ventilated area due to exhaust emissions, which contain poisonous carbon monoxide. If using an electric pressure washer that's 230-volt single phase or less, make sure its power cord has a ground fault circuit interrupter for additional protection against shock hazard. If not, for the safety of the operator, plug the pressure washer into a GFCI-equipped electrical outlet. Don't use a pressure washer near flammable materials such as paint thinners, as an explosion can occur. For refueling a gasoline engine power washer, allow the engine to cool for several minutes first, and then refuel in a well-ventilated area. Never add fuel to the pressure washer while it's operating due to the risk of fire. Users should not smoke next to fuel tanks, nor should any source of ignition be within 10 feet of where fuel is being dispensed. If the pressure washer will be transported, it's best to have the fuel tank empty or ensure the fuel shutoff valve is off. The risk of injury is high if the user is cleaning on a ladder or scaffolding. Be prepared for kickback when the trigger is pulled, and take care as to not overreach or stand on unstable areas. Cleaning areas will be slippery, so take necessary precautions to prevent slips and falls. Do not use a pressure washer under the influence of alcohol or prescription medications. Also, using a pressure washer for an extended period of time will result in user fatigue, so take breaks often so you can stay alert. It's important to remember that a pressure washer is a powerful piece of equipment. Just like with any other heavy equipment, the consequences can be harmful if safe operating procedures are not followed. Training is an essential part of every employer's safety and health program for protecting workers from injuries and is required by the Occupational Safety and Health Administration. Each user needs to read the Hotsy operating manual for the particular model before use. Detergents are commonly used with pressure washers, but it's important that operators read the material safety data sheet for the particular detergent product being used. Make sure the pressure washer model being used is certified for safety by a nationally recognized testing laboratory to UL 1776 or CSA safety standards. Hotsy models are in fact ETL certified, but beware that not all pressure washer manufacturers seek this certification. Certification requires specific components and ratings, so make sure when replacing parts, original components are used. If you have questions on the safe operation of your Hotsy pressure washer, find your dealer at hotsy.com and ask them to provide additional training for you and your team. An authorized Hotsy dealer will make needed repairs or modifications to your pressure washer. We strongly advise against trying to make changes to the equipment yourself. If you do perform maintenance on your own, make sure to disconnect the power on electric models. Safety is something you learn from the start. It's a full-time job. Don't make it a part-time practice.
If your business conducts daily or frequent cleaning of vehicles, trucks, and equipment, a wash bay system will make cleaning fast and efficient. Hotsy dealers design and install wash systems specific to your application and needs, whether you require a single wash area or multiple stations. Hotsy has a variety of hot and cold water pressure washers suitable for wash bays and a large variety of options and accessories. These include safe, low-voltage remote controls to operate the pressure washer and hose reels to protect the hose when not in use. Also available are hose trolleys, overhead or wall-mount hose booms, wash curtains to prevent overspray, special detergent applicators, undercarriage cleaners, and more. You can also configure your system to support multiple users washing simultaneously. It starts with your local Hotsy dealer conducting an on-site cleaning survey at your facility to discuss what you're washing. They'll check electrical and fuel utilities available, the soils to be cleaned, water conditions, determine the best detergent to apply, and verify which wash bay accessories are needed. Your Hotsy specialist will then provide a written proposal with recommended equipment installation and diagrams. To schedule your free on-site wash bay consultation, contact your local Hotsy dealer so you can start adding money to your bottom line. Regardless of your application method, the first thing to contact the item you are washing should be hot, soapy water. Never pre-spray your wash item with water prior to washing. Clear, seemingly clean water will form an invisible barrier, preventing your detergent from penetrating and attacking the soils covering the surface. When washing, apply your soap solution starting at the bottom, pushing the soap up with overlapping strokes, while holding the wand's nozzle 12 to 14 inches from the washing surface. By working from the bottom up, this keeps the surface from streaking, which can ruin finished results. After about 1 minute before you're ready to rinse, turn the detergent off to clear the heating coil and hose of detergent. Then, turn the burner off if using a hot water washer. Rinse from the top down with cold water. Cold water will reduce flash foam, rinse faster, and dry with less spotting. Plus, it uses less fuel. Hotsy offers a line of biodegradable detergents formulated specifically for cold and hot water applications. Contact your local dealer for more information. For any pressure washer to perform to factory specifications, producing full gallons per minute in pressure, a properly sized pressure nozzle must be used. Pressure nozzles are color-coded for ease of use, with the color designating the nozzle's spray pattern. Red, or 0 degree, is a concentrated pencil-thin stream. Yellow, or 15 degrees, produces a putty knife scraping effect. Green, or 25 degrees, creates flushing or sweeping effect. And white, or 40 degrees, is a wide coverage nozzle. Each pressure nozzle's orifice is drilled to the specific gallons per minute and pressure designated. Standard nozzle sizes range from number 2 to number 60, covering a range of 0.71 to 61 gallons per minute and 500 to 5,000 psi. Each nozzle is marked with the spray pattern and orifice size located below the plastic-coated collar. The first two numbers designate the pressure nozzle's spray pattern, followed by nozzle's orifice size. If the nozzle is worn and can't be read, a nozzle size selector chart can be used by using the GPM and pressure output of the pressure washer. It is very important to use the right pressure nozzle. A smaller than required orifice size nozzle will cause electric motor or engine problems, and too large an orifice size nozzle will cause a loss in pressure. There are a wide variety of nozzles used in various types of cleaning. Contact your local dealer for more information.
To begin, disconnect the water supply from the pressure washer and connect the antifreeze solution container. Fill the solution container with an antifreeze solution or wiper fluid. Next, simply turn on the pressure washer to start the solution flowing. Continue to flow until the solution appears out the trigger gun. Direct the flow back into the container, cycling the trigger a few times to allow the solution to penetrate all the nooks and crannies of the pumping system. Finally, turn off the machine and solution supply. For machines equipped with a float tank, simply fill the tank with your solution and follow the same process.
Hotsy Fat Cap's graffiti remover product for brick is highly effective and fast-acting at penetrating graffiti vandalism on brick, masonry, and concrete. This is the best product on the market today for removing spray paint from exterior brick and mortar surfaces, such as buildings, walls, natural stone surfaces, painted stone surfaces, and can even be used on steel or wood surfaces, like fences. Hotsy Fat Cap Graffiti Remover is designed to restore the targeted area to its original surface without harming or leaving a shadowing effect. It's easy to use and requires no pre-mixing. Simply apply to the affected area using a paint roller or sprayer. Allow Fat Cap to activate for 90 seconds and then wash the treated surface with a pressure washer. Repeat the process if there are several layers of graffiti. Unlike other brands, Hotsy Fat Cap can be reapplied to wet surfaces and starts working in 90 seconds. Other brands can take up to 30 minutes to activate. It is recommended to wear safety glasses and protective clothing when using Hotsy Fat Cap graffiti removal products. To learn more about this highly effective product, please contact your local Hotsy dealer today.
Hotsy detergents are designed with the same quality and performance that you expect from your Hotsy pressure washer. With over 50 products to choose from, you can tackle any job and get great results while saving time and energy. Less cleaning time adds up to big savings. Hotsy detergents are available in 5-gallon pails, 55-gallon drums, and large tote bulk packs. Concentrated formulas offer plenty of cleaning performance with flexible dilutions for removing light, medium, or heavy soils. Hotsy detergents are unique in the way that they help protect your equipment investment. Unlike other pressure washer manufacturers, Hotsy equipment draws the detergent into the pump and through the heating coils, delivering superheated, high-pressure soapy water to your toughest cleaning job. Hotsy Continuous Cleaning Additive prevents lime and scale buildup in the coil that results in reduced performance, energy inefficiency, higher maintenance costs, and shorter equipment life. These additives also contain corrosive inhibitors that further protect your high-pressure pump and the metal surfaces you're cleaning. Use your Hotsy detergents with the same confidence you get with Hotsy equipment. Hotsy detergents are biodegradable and kosher approved. Would you like to improve your washing results? Contact Hotsy today and take the Hotsy Detergent Challenge. Your local Hotsy detergent specialist will come out free of charge and demonstrate how Hotsy detergents can wash faster, better, and more economically than your current method. By using Hotsy detergents with your pressure washer, you'll see nothing cleans like a Hotsy.
Hello, I'd like to introduce you to the new Hotsy Heat Miser series of radiant portable heaters. These are available exclusively through Hotsy dealers beginning in the fall of 2016. These heaters are great for outdoor sporting events, heating of wash bays, construction sites, warehouse space, anywhere portable heat is needed. We have the Heat Miser 155 and the Heat Miser 115. The features in these two models are very similar. The major differences come in the BTU output and the runtime and the fuel tank size. The Heat Miser 155 has a 17-gallon fuel tank, giving you a 16-hour runtime and produces 155,000 BTUs. The Heat Miser 115 has an 11-gallon fuel tank, giving you a 13-hour runtime and produces 115,000 BTU. Now let's take a look at some of the common features. Probably the most innovative thing is the dual air pass heating cone that we use. A lot of our competitors will insulate their heating cone with a ceramic refractory material that is prone to becoming fragile and cracking and breaking and needing to be replaced. We actually pass air around the outside of the heating cone, keeping the outside of the unit cool to the touch. Very safe to use. The machine again is 155,000 BTUs and it burns at 99.9% efficient. So there's very little exhaust fumes. CO2 levels are low enough that you can actually use this unit in an enclosed, confined space with no problems. Built into the heat miser is a 10-inch retractable heat shield. Many of our competitors require that you put a floor mat down to protect any sensitive floor coverings. With the heat miser, the heat shield is built in. There's a single bale lifting point so that you can easily load and unload the machine. The angle of the heating cone is adjustable by loosening the screws on the side, and you can position the heat cone in any direction that you'd like it to go. The handle is adjustable so that you can collapse it down for space savings and make it easy to transport. It's got a 17-gallon polyethylene fuel tank that gives you 16 hours of run time. On the control panel, it's very easy to operate. You have an on-off switch, you have an ignition light, and you have a misfire light to indicate if there's been any problems. A simple pigtail to plug it into 120 volts, and an optional thermostat plug-in as well. All the Heat Miser series are CSA approved. There's 3 optional accessories available for the Heat Miser series. First is a fuel cap gauge. Screws right into the fuel tank so you can keep an eye on how much fuel's in the tank. Second is a preheated fuel filter for extremely cold weather climates. And lastly is an optional adjustable thermostat. It's on a 30-foot power cord. It's plug and play right into the unit, and it gets the thermostat out into the room so you can see what the temperature is in the room you're trying to heat. Many of our competitors put the thermostat right on the machine, and that's not really where you want to measure your temperature. You want to get the temperature right out in the room. If you'd like to learn more about the Hotsy Heat Miser series of radiant heaters, or like a free on-site demonstration, please contact your local Hotsy dealer, and you'll soon see that nothing heats like a Hotsy.
Central to every Hotsy pressure washer lies the heart of the machine, the Hotsy Positive Displacement High Pressure Pump. Hotsy has been manufacturing industrial strength pumps since 1984. With years of use in the toughest working conditions, Hotsy pumps have proven to be one of the most durable and cost-efficient pumps on the market. Hotsy high-pressure pumps are manufactured using only top-quality components to ensure long life. These include oversized crankshafts, beefy connecting rods, polished ceramic plungers, cast aluminum crankcases, heavy-duty roller bearings, and hefty check valves. Hotsy offers the best warranty in the industry, 7 years on the oil end of the pump and 1 year labor. With our Nest technology innovation, Hotsy surpasses other brands with extended service life. Nest technology stands for Nested Seal Technology. The pump actually nests the seals of the pump's high-pressure packing assembly in place, supporting the sidewalls and resulting in greater increased seal life. The unique technology of this highly tested assembly includes new high and low pressure U-shaped seals surrounded by thicker brass pressure rings, providing greater wall support while withstanding higher water temperatures, and holds up better to spikes in water pressure, which occur every time the gun is triggered. Hotsy pumps have 3 times the seal life over similar pumps in the industry. The end result is a high-performance pump supplying years of use. When it comes to the pump, trust the Hotsy name.
Hello, I'd like to introduce you to Hotsy's newest lineup of indirect heaters, the Red Hot Cannon. These are the most efficient heaters in the industry. They utilize 4-pass heat exchange technology. There's 3 models to choose from, the Red Hot Cannon 100, 200, and 300. This is the smallest Red Hot Cannon 100 pictured here. They range in BTU from 95,000 BTU all the way out to 258,000 BTU. And the CFM ranges from 1,000 CFM on the Red Hot Cannon 100 all the way up to 2,500 cubic feet per minute on the Red Hot Cannon 300. These are great to heat large areas, such as outdoor tents, warehouses, construction sites, anywhere you need portable, efficient heat. Now let's look at some of the features of the Red Hot Cannon. The most innovative feature is the 4-pass heat exchanger that allows for maximum thermal efficiency. With the simple, easy-to-use control panel, we've got an ignition light, an on-off switch, a port for the optional thermostat, and a pigtail to plug into 120 volts. The units come standard with electronic flame control, 10-inch pneumatic tires, an air pressure safety switch, and an automatic cooling cycle on shutdown. And all the Red Hot Cannons are CSA approved. The fuel tank on the Red Hot Cannon series ranges in size from 11 gallons to 28 gallons, giving you a runtime of approximately 14 hours. The fuel used in this series is number 1 or number 2 diesel fuel or kerosene. If you choose to position the Red Hot Cannon outdoors, we have options available that allow you to duct the heat indoors. We have a single duct kit that would attach to the front of the unit and a 20-foot ducting hose to run the heat inside. We also have a dual ducting kit to allow you to duct the heat 20 feet in 2 different directions. If you'd like to learn more about the Red Hot Cannon series of indirect heaters from Hotsy or get a free on-site demonstration, please contact your local Hotsy dealer, and soon you'll learn that nothing heats like a Hotsy.
Winters are brutal on vehicles and equipment, bringing hardships far beyond just cold ice and snow to deal with. The salt and calcium chloride used to prevent the roads from icing are a cancer to your cars and trucks. Without removal, it will eat away your expensive investment and result in costly premature repairs. Hotsy has the remedy. A state-of-the-art detergent to make salt and calcium chloride disappear and help ensure longevity in your fleet. Hotsy Salt Lick is the go-to detergent for cleaning vehicles in winter. It is especially designed to break down the crystalline structure of de-icing products and prevents them from crystallizing again on the surface. Salt Lick is safe and effective on painted surfaces, as well as stainless steel and aluminum. Salt Lick is highly recommended for city, county, and state DOT garages and fleets of all sizes. This user-friendly, non-caustic, biodegradable formula is easy to use. Salt Lick comes in a concentrated form that your Hotsy representative can meter to get the maximum coverage from the least amount of Salt Lick. Salt Lick is available in 5-gallon pails and 55-gallon drums from your local Hotsy dealer. Get ahead by stocking up on the products that will protect your investment all winter long. Give Hotsy Salt Lick a chance to lick those winter cleaning challenges.
That is one sweet Hotsy.
Quality and performance. Nothing cleans like a Hotsy.
To demonstrate the true power of its equipment, Hotsy brought in retired stuntman Courageous Carl Payne for a series of man versus pressure washer challenges. Carl is a highly skilled daredevil. Please don't try this stunt at home.
Hey, I'm Courageous Carl Payne, and today I'm challenging the cleaning power of the Hotsy pressure washer. Oh Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Come on now. I think you missed a spot. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, was that grime? Yeah.
Clean, spotless. Nothing cleans like a Hotsy. No stuntmen were harmed in the making of this video. To demonstrate the true power of its equipment, Hotsy brought in retired stuntman courageous Carl Payne for a series of man versus pressure washer challenges. Carl is a highly skilled daredevil. Please don't try this stunt at home.
Hey, I'm courageous Carl Payne, and today I'm challenging the ruggedness and durability of the Hotsy pressure washer. Time to feel the pain. Oh, I'm okay. I'm not.
Tough, rugged, durable. Nothing is as rugged as a Hotsy. No Hotsies were harmed in the making of this video. To demonstrate the true power of its equipment, Hotsy brought in retired stuntman courageous Carl Payne for a series of man versus pressure washer challenges. Carl is a highly skilled daredevil. Please don't try this stunt at home.
Hey, I'm courageous Carl Payne, and today I'm challenging the sheer power of the Hotsy pressure washer. Yeah.
Powerful, strong, forceful. Nothing is as powerful as a Hotsy. No stuntmen were harmed in the making of this video.
coffee cup and a rusty sky. Another day in the muck and grime. He's a roughneck, a break a sweat kind of man. Rugged boots and worn out jeans. Eyes are sharp, he's up to speed, and he'll get the job done any way he can. And hard work is in his bones. It's the only life he's ever known. Here's to the hard hat heroes, farm hands that help that corn grow, the shipyard workers on the lines, the cowboys and all-night haulers, breaking their backs for every dollar, the ones that push right through the diesel and the dust. Just keep rolling on, 'cause you can't turn off that kind of tough. Bloodstains and calloused hands, the hard knocks and high demands might take a toll, but he's proud of every scar. Fights through the muscle aches, the freezing cold, the driving rain, and he won't back down. He knows he plays a part, 'cause he'd never break the chain of honoring his family name. Can't turn off that kind of tough.